Hello friends, this is Anandi Dharmapatre from 8th Standard, Synergy National School, Ambazogai. Today, I am going to present a very important topic, the Indian Constitution. Friends, do you know the meaning of the term Constitution? A constitution is a body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is to be governed. So, we will learn about the Indian Constitution. What is meant by Indian Constitution? The Constitution of India, Bharatiya Samvidhan, is the supreme law of India. The document lays down framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth. It has 395 articles and 12 schedules. The Indian National Congress made a demand for a Constituent Assembly in 1935. The idea was of Sri M.N. Roy. The Constituent Assembly was formed on 6 December 1946. On 9 December 1946, the first meeting was held in Constitutional Hall, now the Central Hall of Parliament House. Sachidananda Sinha became the temporary president of Constituent Assembly. On 22nd July 1947, national flag, that is Tiranga, was adopted. On 29 August 1947, drafting committee appointed Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar as its chairman. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was passed and adopted by the Assembly. On 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into force. Why is the Constitution important? It is important because it lays out important guidelines that govern decision-making with various societies of country. It lays ideals that form the basis of kind of country that citizens aspire to live in. It serves as a set of rules and principles as basis by which country has to be governed. It provides rules to safeguard interests of minorities and prevent any kind of domination by majority on minorities. It lays down rules that guard against the misuse of power by political leader. It also provides rights to citizens and protects their freedom. So now we will see about some key features of Indian Constitution. The first one is Federalism. Federalism refers to the existence of more than one level of government. In India, we have governments at the state and at the central level. Constitution contains lists that detail the issues that each tier of government can make laws on. Also, the Constitution specifies where each tier of government can get money for the work that it does. The second feature is the parliamentary form of government. The parliamentary form of government is a system of government in which the representatives are elected by the people. Constitution of India guarantees universal adult suffrage for all citizens. People have a direct role in electing their representatives. Every citizen of the country, irrespective of his or her social backgrounds, can contest in elections. The next key feature is the separation of powers. According to the Constitution, there are three organs of the government. They are the legislature, which refers to our elected representatives. The executive is a small group of people who are responsible for implementing laws and running the government. The third one is judiciary, which refers to the system of courts in this country. The fundamental rights. The fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution include right to equality. All persons are equal before the law. This means that all persons shall be equally protected by the laws of the country. It also states that no citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, caste or gender. Every person has access to all public places including playgrounds, hotels, shops, etc. The state cannot discriminate against anyone in the matters of employment. The second right is right to freedom. This includes the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to form associations, the right to move freely and reside in any part of the country, and the right to practice any profession, occupation or business. The third right is the right against exploitation. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labor and employment of children under 14 years of age. Right to freedom of religion. Religious freedom is provided to all citizens. Every person has the right to practice, profess and propagate the religion of their choice. Cultural and educational rights. The Constitution states that all minorities, religious or linguistic, can set up their own educational institutions in order to preserve and develop their own culture. Right to constitutional remedies. This allows citizens to move the court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state. The last feature is the secularism. A secular state is one in which the state does not officially promote any religion as a state religion. India is a secular state. So this was all about the Indian Constitution. Be proud of your country. Thank you.